In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Dependabot on GitHub, specifically focusing on Dependabot alerts and security updates using the GitHub user interface. This feature is essential for developers looking to enhance their repository security by automating the management of dependencies. First, let's navigate to your GitHub repository that you want to secure. This is the primary location for all the files pertaining to your project, and it's essential to keep the dependencies up to date to avoid introducing vulnerabilities. Once you have accessed the repository, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Settings option. Click on this to begin customizing the settings for your repository. Once inside the Settings page, you'll notice various sections in the sidebar to your left. For today's task, we need to scroll down and locate the Security section. Here, you'll find the Advanced Security option. By clicking here, you're stepping into the domain where you can toggle various security features of your repository, including those related to Dependabot. Dependabot is an automated tool provided by GitHub that assists in identifying and notifying you of any vulnerabilities present within the dependencies your project uses. It's a handy feature that can also suggest automatic fixes. When you're in the Advanced Security area, you'll see an option under Dependabot that says Enable For. Clicking this will present you with three crucial options for activation: Dependabot Alerts, Dependabot Security Updates, and Dependabot Version Updates. Let's begin by enabling Dependabot Alerts. These will provide notifications about vulnerabilities in the dependencies directly to the project maintainers. This proactive measure ensures you are always aware of potential security issues. Next up is Dependabot Security Updates. This feature takes things a step further by not only alerting you to vulnerabilities, but also forwarding automated pull requests to update to more secure versions. By activating this, you'll significantly enhance your repository's defenses against security threats. Lastly, we have Dependabot Version Updates. This option allows Dependabot to automatically keep your dependencies updated to the latest versions, friendly nudging you to maintain cutting-edge security standards without manually checking for updates. Once you have enabled these options, you have successfully set up Dependabot for your GitHub repository. Now, Dependabot will monitor your project for any new vulnerabilities and outdated dependencies, ensuring that your code base remains robust and secure against external threats. And there you have it. With these steps, you've not only improved your project's security posture, but also saved valuable time by automating the mundane yet critical task of dependency management. By utilizing Dependabot, you're ensuring that your code remains resilient with minimal manual intervention. If you have any questions or need further assistance with GitHub features, feel free to leave a comment down below. Happy coding!